This is the Data Visualization add-on before its version 3.0. This is taking a really long time. So how did I make it better? The add-on was completely rewritten using geometry nodes. A couple of geometry nodes. Then it got some new Python UI for ease of use and convenience. And look at that. The old file, the same chart, almost generated in an instant. And that's not all. The add-on got a fancy new documentation, there is a lot of new animated features, and everything is much more extensible. Check it out on Superhive, Gumroad, or GitHub for free.